Tonight, a Wisconsin judge is facing federal charges for allegedly helping an undocumented immigrant avoid arrest. Joe McCoy is here with details. Joe?
Well, Julie, Judge Hannah Dugan allegedly tried to help assist an undocumented immigrant evade ICE officials when they showed up to arrest him at her courthouse.
Hands off, judges!
With signs to the sky,
Donald Trump has got to go.
people gathered outside the Minneapolis federal courthouse to protest the FBI's arrest of Milwaukee judge Hannah Dugan.
When you start going after judges, that is a sign that we are seriously in trouble in this country.
Dugan made an initial appearance in court Friday before being released on bond. She is charged with obstruction and concealing an individual from arrest.
She comes back in the courtroom, you're not going to believe this, takes the defendant and the defense attorney back in her chambers, takes them out a private exit and tells them to leave.
On Fox News today, U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi said the alleged undocumented immigrant was facing domestic violence charges and tried to run from ICE agents before they arrested him.
She put the lives of our law enforcement officers at risk. She put the lives of citizens at risk. A street chase, which is absurd that had to happen.
Donald Trump has got to go.
This arrest of Judge Dugan comes as tensions between federal authorities and state and local officials continue to escalate.
This is about protecting due process and the rule of law and our Constitution. And that is what's under attack.
Stand up, fight back.
Milwaukee County Executive David Crowley spoke out against Judge Dugan's arrest, calling it a direct attack on the system.
It is clear that FBI is politicizing this situation to make an example of her and others across the country who oppose these attacks on the judicial system and our nation's immigration laws.
I think some of these judges think they are beyond and above the law, and they are not.
According to CNN, the undocumented immigrant had been removed from the United States in 2013, but immigration officials learned he was back in the U.S. because of an arrest in a domestic abuse case. Now, Julie, what is next for Judge Dugan? That seems very up in the air right now.
All right, I'm sure we'll be following it.
Yep.
Thank you, Joe.